Hello, I'm Charlie Riggins with Pye-Barker. When we talk about the future of manufacturing, it is easy to focus on one new machine, one software platform, or one expansion project. But industrial growth depends on several pieces working together. Manufacturers need the capacity to take on new business. Plant managers need better information to make faster decisions. And communities need prepared industrial sites where companies can build, hire, and grow. Today, we'll look at how tighter North American content rules could create new opportunities for manufacturers, how real-time data is changing daily management on the plant floor, and how Georgia is investing in rural industrial development. Let's get started. A recent American Machinist article connected to IMTS 2026 highlights an important shift for North American manufacturers. Tighter content rules may become a growth opportunity. The article explains that increasing content thresholds under the USMCA are encouraging automakers and suppliers to source and produce more parts within North America. For machine shops, contract manufacturers, and industrial suppliers, this could open the door to new demand, especially for companies prepared with modern equipment, skilled teams, and strong digital manufacturing capabilities. As more production moves closer to home, manufacturers that can prove quality, speed, traceability, and capacity may be in a stronger position to win work. But this opportunity also comes with higher expectations. Shops may need to invest in advanced CNC machining, automation, real-time production analytics, ERP and MES integration, and stronger quality systems. These tools can help manufacturers respond faster, document compliance, reduce downtime, and manage more complex production requirements. The article also connects this momentum to IMTS 2026, where manufacturers will be looking for technology that can help them compete in a changing supply chain environment. IMTS is expected to bring together machine builders, automation providers, software companies, and manufacturers looking for ways to increase productivity and prepare for future demand. For North American manufacturers, the takeaway is not only about policy, it is about readiness. Tighter content rules could create more local sourcing opportunities, but only for companies that can meet the standards of modern manufacturing. That means investing in people, processes, machines, and data systems that make production more reliable and competitive. In short, the companies that prepare now may be the ones that benefit most as supply chains continue to shift. And preparation is not only about adding equipment or increasing capacity. Manufacturers also need a clear view of what is happening inside their operations every day. That brings us to our second story. Factories are under pressure to produce more, move faster, and adapt quickly, even while dealing with supply chain challenges, limited resources, and growing sustainability demands. A recent Industry Week article explains that the future-ready factory will be built around three major priorities: efficiency, sustainability, and flexibility. The first priority is efficiency. Manufacturers need better real-time visibility across the plant floor. That means using digital tools such as AI-powered cameras, smart sensors, video management systems, and analytics software to collect and interpret data as operations happen. These technologies can help identify bottlenecks, improve safety, and support predictive maintenance. For example, AI-assisted cameras can help spot unsafe practices or missing personal protective equipment, while thermal imaging can help detect equipment issues before they turn into major downtime. The second priority is sustainability. As production demand grows, energy use becomes a bigger challenge. Future-ready factories need to understand how much energy they are using, where waste is happening, and how to reduce operating costs while meeting environmental requirements. Smart sensors and analytics can help monitor energy usage, emissions, and critical utility areas. This gives plant leaders the information they need to make faster and smarter decisions. The third priority is flexibility. Manufacturers can no longer rely on fixed layouts and slow adjustments. A future-ready factory needs to adapt to changing demand, new product requirements, and shifting market conditions. The article points out that real-time data can help factory leaders redesign workflows, adjust production lines, and optimize layouts more quickly. The future-ready factory is not just about adding technology. It is about using the right technology to make better decisions. Factories that combine video, sensors, automation, and data analytics will be better positioned to increase productivity, reduce downtime, improve safety, manage energy use, and respond faster to change. Of course, smarter factories still need skilled people, production space, and investment behind them. And our final story shows how those pieces are coming together in rural Georgia. Governor Brian Kemp has announced the fourth round of grants from Georgia's Rural Site Development Initiative. The latest round totals $7.8 million and will support 10 local projects across the state. Since the program launched in fiscal year 2025, Georgia has invested $28 million in rural site development projects. The goal is to help rural communities prepare industrial sites for future business investment and job creation. These grants support two major needs. The first is site improvement. That includes work such as clearing, grading, road access, water systems, sewer infrastructure, and other improvements that can make a property more ready for industrial development. The second is GRAD certification. GRAD stands for Georgia Ready for Accelerated Development. This certification helps communities demonstrate that a site has completed key studies, surveys, and preparation steps needed to attract employers. In this round, site improvement grants were awarded to Effingham County, Columbus-Muskogee County, McIntosh County, and Thomaston-Upson County. Additional GRAD certification scholarships were awarded to Albany-Doherty County, Glenn County, Harris County, Jeffersonville-Twiggs County, Screven County, and Seminole County. Rural economic development does not happen by accident. Communities need prepared sites, reliable infrastructure, and planning support before major employers can confidently invest. State leaders said these grants are part of a larger effort to bring jobs and opportunity beyond Metro Atlanta. The announcement also notes that more than 64% of the new jobs created since Governor Kemp took office have gone to areas of Georgia outside the Metro Atlanta region. For rural communities, this kind of funding can help turn available land into competitive industrial property. Georgia is investing in readiness. By helping communities prepare shovel-ready sites, the state is working to make rural areas more attractive to manufacturers, logistics companies, and other job-creating employers. Across all three stories, one theme stands out. Industrial growth depends on being ready before the opportunity arrives. Tighter North American content rules could create new work for manufacturers that have the equipment, workforce, quality systems, and production capacity to compete. Real-time data can help plant teams see problems sooner, make faster decisions, and operate with greater control. And Georgia's rural development grants are helping communities prepare the land and infrastructure needed to support future industrial investment. For plant managers, engineers, maintenance teams, and procurement professionals, readiness means looking beyond today's production schedule. It means understanding where future demand may come from. It means using better information to improve reliability, productivity, and decision-making. And it means paying attention to regional investments that may affect new facilities, workforce demand, suppliers, transportation, and the broader industrial economy. I'm Charlie Riggins with Pye-Barker, and thanks for spending a few minutes with me. For more industrial news, practical insights, and support for pumps, compressors, blowers, and vacuum systems across Georgia and Florida, visit pyebarker.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay productive, and keep those systems running.